Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a green seasoning, or a grind seasoning as we call it in Guyana. This green seasoning, or grind seasoning as we call it, or marinade, is just a blend of mainly a mixture of green seasonings and some garlic, onion, some peppers. I use it to marinate our meats, fish, shrimp, basically anything that you want to have that nice green seasoning flavor in. So keep watching the video and you'll see exactly how we do it. And I do hope that you find this video interesting. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And of course, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified when I post more videos. As always, thank you for watching, and to my new subscribers, thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.